Do you like tactical hats? So do I. So let's go check these awesome Notchgear hats. Hello guys, what's up? Today we will be making an unboxing video for the Notchgear hats and Velcro patches, and I have already thrown the box away, but let's start by taking these cool hats and see how they look. I got two hats from Notchgear, and this first one is the black Multicam, and the second one here is the tan color. So, beginning with the ingredients of the box, I have these two hats, and I also have some patches here, the Velcro patches, the Spartan, the American flag, and this snake patch. They look pretty cool. These also come with these notch stickers, pretty nice. What is interesting about this company is that it's a very innovative company in terms of the design of the caps. I would like to show you these notches here on both sides of the cap. They have the aim of preventing your cap from interfering with your glasses. You know, when you wear the glass and the cap simultaneously, there is this problem. Just you cannot fit them well, but using the notch caps, these notches here prevent the interference, and they look pretty cool. This one also has the same feature, similar to all notch caps. Apart from this notch feature, there is also this Velcro on this side of the cap, so that you can put any of the patches on your cap, for example like this one. Thus you can customize your caps, and anytime you can just remove it. You can use it like this one, or you can put another patch. They look pretty cool, I believe. There is also one small square here where you can place little patches like your blood type or something. And this model I have is called Notch Classic Flexfit 10 Operator Tactical Baseball Cap. It's not adjustable. It's called the Flexfit technology it has. You also see the Notch logo here, and you see the other features inside the Notch logo all around the cap. Of course, you need to take this one off. Yeah, like this. You can have the caps in 4 different sizes. I've chosen the L to XXL size, and in both models. As for the black Multicam, also It's called the Notch Classic Flexfit Black Multicam Operator model. Again, this Velcro here. I have chosen this Spartan patch for this one. You can choose, this is a circular patch, but also you can choose something like a square patch or something. So these are my first choices for now, together with the US flag. And you can take this one off as well. This one also features the circular little Velcro for the blood type patches or something. And there are some informative sheets on it about the black multicam. This is also non-adjustable model with the Flexfit technology. Looks pretty cool. And this is how they look on your head with the glasses. This notch here prevents the interference between the cap and your glasses. Very innovative technology in the designing of the caps. I like that. You can use these caps, these baseball caps, in the activities requiring physical efforts, and they simply like lock your hat and your sunglasses. The standard notch is for the wrap around style glasses, and the notch is around something like here, while the Terra Aviator notch is a different model where the notch is located somewhere around here, so that it can be used with the aviator type of glasses. And this is a really cool feature. As for the company itself, it is a company founded in 2013, and they are also producing hats and sunglasses and patches and some type of t-shirts as well. When it comes to pricing, each of these caps cost $32, and you can have them each for $32, but there are also cheaper models as well. We can say that the pricing is between $25 and $32. And as for the patches, you can have each of the patches by paying about $5 as well. They look pretty cool, especially if you like outdoor activities, if you like shooting, and if you like sports. You can have your own model, you can customize it with the patches. You can have them in other colors as well, like multicam or OD green or any color you want. You can have them on the website, and you can find the purchase links below as well. You will see these caps on my photo shootings with my bracelets. You can use them with your Paracord bracelets. They look pretty cool. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Have a good day.